Hey everyone, this is JC210 and I wanted to make a video today about my Havok trucks that I shaped, like I said I was going to do. This is what they look like. The shapes, and it looks similar to the other trucks I've made. But there's they look like independent trucks, like independent skateboard trucks. I was trying to make them look like that, and turned out pretty good. And what I really like about it is I tapered the edges of the hanger, so when it got to the axle, it was sort of like a point or whatever, and I could put the whole entire wheel in there and tighten it all the way so there's no rattle hardly at all, and it'll still spin pretty nicely. I don't know, I really don't do electrics, but yeah, it's them. They're really sick. Hope you guys like them. I worked on these for a really long time actually, because they're a little bit harder to shape out. Yeah, I polished them. Took all the red off. I'm chrome now. So it's chrome with red and it looks sick. Red wheels. Red bushings. That's my dad. Thanks for watching, you guys. Hope you like it. Comment, rate, subscribe. Peace.